Creating shipping rules. As an e-commerce store, it is important to include the shipping rules for your store. This way, a customer knows what to expect and when to expect their items. To create or add a shipping rule, click on the Stores button on the left-hand side menu on the dashboard page, and then click on the Settings button. You will notice tabs at the top of the page. Click on the Shipping tab, and it will take you to the page where you can add or create your shipping policy. If you are adding your first shipping rule, you will be prompted to do so. To start, you will be required to add the region that this rule applies to by typing the name of the city or country into the text box. A drop-down menu will appear for you to choose your region. You will be able to add more than one location if necessary. At this point, you will need to know if shipping will be free shipping for the region selected or if there will be a flat rate. For this region, let's assign a flat rate. You will need to give your shipping option a name, provide an expected delivery time, a rate for the shipping, and if there will be any tax added to this shipping. You will need to add the tax to your store, which can be viewed in a separate video. When you've completed adding your shipping rule, click on Add Shipping Rule. You're able to add multiple shipping rules for the regions you have selected. Once you're done, click on the Create button. You will be directed back to the shipping page, where your newly added shipping rules can be seen. From this page, you will also be able to create additional shipping rules to your store. Let's create another shipping rule, this time assigning it as free shipping. Click on Add Another Rule, and begin again as before. Add the regions you would like to assign free shipping to, and then click on Free Shipping. Once again, you will be expected to give this shipping option a name and indicate to your customers how long they can expect delivery if they choose free shipping. When you're happy with the details you have provided, click the Create button. You will now be redirected back to the shipping page, where you will see your new shipping rule added to the list. If you would like to edit any of your shipping rules, simply click the Edit button and make your changes, after which you can click on the Update button. If you require any further information, please visit www.standardbank.co.za/SimplyBlu.